This video is for kids ages 7 to 10. Today we're going to be making a windsock. The materials you will need are located in your St. Louis House craft materials bag. And you'll want to find your long blue rectangle, your long light blue rectangle, 2 pieces of dark blue yarn, and 2 pieces of light blue yarn. You'll need a pencil, a white crayon, scissors, glue, and a hole punch if you have it. Does anyone know what a windsock is? A windsock is a long tube attached to a pole that basically shows you what direction the wind is coming from, what direction the wind is blowing to, and also shows you the speed at which the wind is going. So if the windsock is blowing this way, then you could say that the wind is coming from this direction and going this way. And if the windsock is flapping really fast, it's going really fast. If the windsock is kind of just flowing a little bit, then the windsock is showing that the wind is moving slowly. Windsocks can also be used as a decoration at your house. So that's what we're going to be making today. And it's going to take the form of a cloud tube with some yarn and rain droplets at the bottom. So the first step is we're going to take the dark blue piece of paper and we're going to draw some clouds on there using our white crayon. Clouds can be any shape, and they can overlap. You want to fill in the middle of the cloud. Finally, the white crayon is coming in handy. So take some time and fill in this whole sheet of paper with clouds. Once you have all your clouds drawn, we're going to make this into a cylinder and we're going to glue it down so that it's about that size. Once it's dried, we're going to set this aside and draw some raindrops on this piece of paper. We want to draw 3 raindrops. And they don't have to be the same size and shape. And then we're going to cut these out. Once you cut out your raindrops, we're going to set these aside. Take our cylinder and our hole punch, and we're going to make 2 holes at the top, 1 on each side. I'll show you. Probably about a fingernail from the top. And then on the opposite side, just like that. Then we're going to take one of our strings. I'm going to use the dark blue, and we're going to tie it on each side of these holes. So the first side, we're just going to tie a little knot. Like that, and then the other side as well. And if you need to, you can cut it so that it's not so tall. You want it to be about this tall. Then you'll just cut off the excess. All right, now we're going to do the same to the bottom. We're going to cut 3 holes at the bottom, spacing them out. So I'll do one in the front, and then 2 on the sides. So that we have 3. Then you're going to tie the remaining yarn on the bottom of these holes. Just like that, all the way around. Once you have all the bottom strings tied, we're going to cut these about the same length as the top. So cut off all of the excess. And if you want, you can leave some of these pieces at different lengths. It doesn't all have to be the same length. So I'll do a shorter one, a little bit longer, and then a little bit longer. And now we're going to glue our raindrops at the bottom on each of these, right down the middle, and wait for those to dry. Once it's all dry, you have your windsock. Isn't it pretty? Isn't it cool? Thanks for joining me today. If you'd like, I'm going to post a link at the bottom of this video where you can see a windsock in action. Until next time.